Anger isn't the problem, it's a signal. It tells you when something matters, when something's unfair, or when something's off. But unfortunately, it's a language most of us never learn to decode. Imagine if you could press pause before you yelled. You would respond calmly, speak clearly, you'd stay in control. Every angry outburst starts way before it explodes. It builds in the body like a wave. Tense shoulder, shallow breathing, faster heart rate. These are your emotional smoke alarms. So the first step to managing anger is awareness. Are your fists clenched? Is your voice louder than usual? Are you catastrophizing a small issue? The sooner you recognize the signs, the easier it is to step back and the more control you gain. Here is a fact sheet you might be interested in. When we are triggered, the chemical reaction of anger lasts just 90 seconds. You only need to control the situation for 2 minutes to win the game. Next, when anger flares, don't fight it. Hit pause with cooling technique. Here is how. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts. Repeat it a few times. Take a break. Physically remove yourself from the trigger. Changing environments interrupts the anger loop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. Notice 5 things you say, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 you can taste. Use cold water. Splashing cold water on your face calms the body instantly. Name the feeling. Literally say, "This is anger, I'm okay." It's a signal, not a sentence. These aren't hacks. They are neurological pattern breakers and start working within a few seconds of being applied. Most anger isn't about the event itself, but about how we interpret what happened. He interrupted me becomes he doesn't respect me. She didn't text back turns into I don't matter. But is that true? What else could this mean? What if it's not about you? They might be acting out their own stress. Step back, zoom out, and reframe. This helps shift you from reaction to reflection. Your thoughts are like gasoline, and when you are already heated, one distorted belief can explode the whole situation. When you control the narratives, you reclaim the power. Managing anger isn't about never getting mad. It's about how you express it. Instead of lashing out, try simple I statement and simply express your feelings rationally. For example, I felt frustrated when I wasn't consulted on the project. I value teamwork and I need to feel included next time. You are not attacking, you are informing. That's what assertive communication looks like. Also remember to choose your moment. Don't confront in the heat. Wait, think, and then speak. If you are constantly irritable, it's time to look at the bigger picture. Anger usually thrives in stress and overthinking. Peace grows through rhythm and reflection. Here are a few habits that reduce baseline irritability and build emotional resilience. Move your body to calm your mind. Just 15 to 20 minutes of daily exercise lowers cortisol and boosts dopamine. Journal your anger triggers. This helps you recognize patterns and regain control. Prioritize deep sleep and steady meals. An angry brain is often just a tired or undernourished brain. Practice mindfulness or meditation. These habits build emotional awareness and train your brain to observe before reacting. Some of your anger isn't just about what's happening now. It's often about what's happening inside for years. It might be about the 10-year-old version of you who didn't feel heard, or the past pain that never got processed. Unresolved trauma, childhood neglect, unhealed wound, this lower your frustration tolerance. If your anger feels intense, persistent, or hard to control, it may be rooted in deeper emotional pain. Working with a therapist or using a therapeutic tools like CBT can help you recognize and heal those roots. You don't have to stay stuck in reaction mode. If you like this video, drop a comment below. What are your thoughts about it? Also, check out the free Anger Management Toolkit to start mastering your emotions today. The link is in the description.